Hey campers, Derek Haydocy here from Haydocy Airstream RV in Columbus, Ohio. I want to make a quick little video here kind of demonstrating one of the more popular features of the all-new Nest from Airstream. This is our 3,400 pound fiberglass camper, brand new product from Airstream. Everybody's really excited about it, but there's one specific little piece to it that I think is worth talking about. That's the tankless on-demand water heater. This is a feature that's been requested by our campers for the last few years now. Airstream's been listening, and they brought it to market in the brand new Nest. So, tankless water heater, on demand. It's built by Suburban. It's about 60,000 BTUs. So this just means that as long as I got propane in my camper, I got hot water for me, right on demand. Nice thing about this too, it monitors not only the incoming water temperature, but the outgoing water temperature and the flow of it. So no matter how fast you turn that water on or off or change the temperature, it's right there going to keep up with you. It's real clean. Simple port for the exhaust. On the inside, a nice control panel. One of the great features of the Nest is they've really kept everything clean looking. So I just opened my one storage panel here. I have my converter, my power switch, and then my hot water display. Easily set the temperature right there. It has flow protection, so it shuts off automatically. It has freeze protection. Has a safety three tri light, all on propane. So this is one of those features people have been talking about, been asking about. Well, here it is in the brand new Nest. If you have more questions about this product, let us know. Give us a call here at 614-279-8880 or check out our website at HaydocyAirstreams.com. Once again, Derek Haydocy, Haydocy Airstream RV. Happy camping, and we'll talk to you later.